My name is Thomas, but you already knew that. All right, I went to a party a couple months ago, and this is the photo that I took, and why I chose this one, because of the large glare above the forehead. I really don't like this. We're going to go and see how the new Photoshop beta is going to fix this. Normally I would have to go in there with a brush tool. Let me see. Normally I would have gone in with a brush tool. With a brush tool, and then I would have come over here to color, and I would have made my brush tool larger, and I would have matched, and then I would have just painted on. This is the way I used to do it. But let's see, something like that would be, I'm tired of that. We're going to see, I'm just going to circle it now, and we're just going to Generative Fill. See what happens. Heck with doing all this photoshopping, it takes years to learn. I'm going to see, this is real time. I want to see how it works out. See if it fixes it. Instead of doing everything. Wow! Let me see if I can get this out of the way. That turned out really well. Oh, wow. Let me zoom in. It's a little much, but not that bad. We could probably fix that again. Let me see if I try my brush. And let's... Oh, because I'm on a... Let's come over here. Oh, let's try it. We're back over here. Let's try it again with the lasso tool. See if we do it one more time. See if we can fix it any better. Generative. And we're just going to see what happens. I haven't done anything else. I'm just going to see how this works and breaks down. Wow, after 2 times, that's really... Oh, wow. We probably could even do this one more time. Let's see if we can do it here. Generative Fill, generate. I didn't even check. I forgot to even check to see what's over here. I want to see how this turns out. Wow. Look at that. I can put even a few. All right. Hold on. That turned out really well. Let's see if we can do this. Oops, I want this. And we're going to do Generative Fill. We're going to fill in the... Wow, this just saved me so much time on photoshopping and hours of doing this. See how it turned out on her chin. Like I said, I've never done this before. Wow, that's really actually pretty darn good. Generative Fill. I remember years of cloning and stamping and doing and mastering this whole thing, and now this is perfect. Wow. Let's see if we can fix her. Let's see if we can fix the bags under her eyes. We don't want to take away too much. We just want to take enough away. I wonder what that was for. I generated, I don't understand what I violated the rules for. I mean, I removed the other ones. That was strange. But I guess it's kind of new. Let's see what else we have. I know this is going in real time. Let's see what the guidelines say. All right. What? This is not pornographic or no. No. I'm not really highly offensive content. No. Graphic violence. No. No. Depicts nude. No. I haven't done it. Be authentic. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what I have done, but we're going to deselect and see if we can do it. Let's see if we can. I think it turned out pretty darn good. Hold on. Let's see if we can do something else. Let's pull back a little bit, and we're going to select, and let's see if we can make her a blonde. I am going to see if we can make her a blonde. Blonde hair. Whoops, one too many. I don't know. See if we can make her blonde and see how it turns out. See what really happens. I'm dying to see what happens. Ah! Wow, that didn't turn out what I thought it was going to be. Huh. Let me see if we can go in here with the... Wow, didn't turn out what I expected. We'll get rid of this and we'll go back to her. Now we're going to go back here. We're going to go with Command or Control, Shift and E to collapse everything. And now let's just go in here to filter, to neutral filters and see what, maybe we should have done this from the start. I will try. Ooh, wow. Wow. Welcome to neutral filters. I've never seen this before. Well, with options next, style, skip tour. Oh, we're going to do the skin. Oh, we should have done this. We need to download the skin smell. Soothing. Hold on 1 second. Oh, we're still here. We're going to download this. I know this is quite a large video, but maybe we should have done this from the beginning. And we should have downloaded the... We don't need the super zoom. We don't need to... And we're going to do one more. We're going to download this. All right. We're going to come over here. We'll make sure we choose. We're going to choose on the smooth skin smoothing. We should have done this first, but that's what we're here to learn. And we have about just a few more seconds left on this. I really do like it to make it to a layer mask, but that's... We're almost there. Thank you for being patient. This is normally what I would have come to first, but I was so intrigued by the beta on Photoshop. And we're going to make her... We'll make her 5 years younger. Alright, this is processing in the cloud. We'll just wait. I don't know what the process is to make her younger, but I know she's already pretty young, but we'll just see what happens. Wow. Alright. Let's come over here to this. We're going to blur. That one did that, and then we're going to make her 10 years, and we're going to add a little bit more hair. All right. Now we're going to process this in the cloud for the mom, and see what happens. I don't know why this is taking so much longer than usual, but it stuck at processing in the cloud. Oh, there it goes. Maybe there was a hiccup in the internet. Stuck still. Let's see what's happening. So normally I would go into all these and Photoshop them in Clone Tool and fix everything, and then of course make these correct. But I don't know what I've done. All right. You'll see what I've done here. So I'm making it in my own mask tool. And then there we go. So we can see the original. And we are going to come in here. And here we're going to grab the brush tool. And we are going to X. And we're going to fix. Well, we need to make sure this. We lost her. Well, we need to cut off this. I like her original hair. So we're just going to add just a little bit like that. And then here, I don't like her. Well, maybe I'll just a little. Don't like this. All right. All right, let's do Shift Command E to collapse it back. And I think this woman over here is very, let's do this. She is very annoying. Oh, you know what? I don't like this arm. Let's see if we do this. We've all done this with weddings where we get an arm. Let's do the Generative Fill, and let's just say generate. Let's see what happens. We've gone to weddings. This is just a perfect picture that we can do these things with. That let's see if we can get rid of her arm. Huh, not bad. Wow, I think it even added. Let me grab this. Look at that. Hold on. It even grabbed her. Look at that. It even made an arm for her. You know, all right, let's say that she's distracting too. Oh, let's do this. I think that she is very distracting. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let's try. Let's Command or Control D. Let's go back over here. Oh, we could have gone. No. Oh, that would have been good. I think this one's still the best. All right. I don't like her. Nothing personal against her. But we're going to go. We've all had these at weddings. Oops. And we're going to choose this. And we are going to. Oh, there it is. Generative Fill. And let's do it once again. She's just distracting from the photo. See what happens. Maybe we do a lot of Control E's, Shift or Command E to collapse everything and see what happens. Let's see what happens. This is a really long video, but thank you for being patient. Wow. And I think this woman is distracting, so we'll go. Nothing against her. It's just distracting. That I don't mind the other people. Maybe we'll also blur the background. Huh. Wow. Huh. So we could have done that. Ooh, look how it made this woman's face turn around. Wow. Huh. Let's try something. Let's do Object Selection Tool. We're going to try something I've never tried before. I don't know what I've done. I know why you did this. I know why. Don't panic. It did this because I wasn't on the layer. So this is what I had to do. So we're going to add. Where is the. No. We're going to add the quick selection. This is not what I wanted, but we'll do it this way. You know, hold on one second. I know. I know. We're going to deselect. We're going to try this a different way. We're going to try this. The object selection tool. Perfect. Not what I want. But let's see if... All right. Now let's do Shift Control I so we get the inverse. All right. Now, here it comes. All right, now here's the big one. See what we're going to try to remove everybody out of the background. Let's see what happens. We're going to do everybody but in the background. Oh, and this is, oops, make sure we're on the correct layer. And let's see. This has been pretty cool for me. I can only imagine what this is like in wedding photos. See what really happens. Where did she come from? Oh my God, there's another person. Where did... That is hysterically funny. We're not going to do this, but we're just going to leave this. But there you go. So everything is done. We finished everything. And we put... I don't really like... We'll do this one. That looks like a regular wedding picture. All right, but there you go. All right. Hey, thank you guys very much.